Is it safe to drain my swimming pool? Boy, am I ever glad you came to YouTube to ask this question before you went ahead and did it. Because the answer is no. Almost universally across the board, it is not safe to drain your swimming pool. Now you might be thinking, well, I don't know, I saw my neighbor Bob drain his pool and, everything seemed fine. So what's the problem here? And I would like to point out there's a difference between what is safe to do and what you can get away with doing. And further to that, what can you do if you have a good amount of experience and understanding of water tables and hydrostatically balancing swimming pools in the ground. So you can drain swimming pools. That's how you perform service like maintenance and repairs and remediation to pools. But it usually involves somebody who's an expert in the field who understands both swimming pools and how swimming pools are balanced in the ground. Further to that, not just being balanced in the ground, pools normally need the water in them to help resist the forces pushing inwards on the walls. And again, that's true for pretty much all kinds of swimming pools. So in general, the rule is it is not safe to drain your swimming pool, and you should not endeavor to drain your own. Though you might be able to do so, or maybe you've even done it in the past and it was fine. You absolutely can find yourself in a situation where you do extensive damage, if not permanently destroying your swimming pool, if the wrong set of situations occurs. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.